Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is prove the following identity where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression is defined as cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So guys, this is what the given expression is, and we are going to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. And one of the hints that is being given in the question is that simplify using left hand side and right hand side separately. So guys, let us keep this in mind and see how we are going to work out for this proving this particular expression, or how we are justifying that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now guys, the given question is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So let us see how we are going to prove this identity, or how we are going to prove this equation or expression, I can say. Now it is being given that cosec A minus sin A, cosec A minus sin A, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So this is the given expression, and as per the question is asking us to prove left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. So what we will do, we will first let us first move from left hand side, and we will move left hand side to a certain extent and we will keep left hand side as it is. Then we will move from right hand side to a certain extent and we will keep as it is. Then we will prove the resulting equation that we got from left hand side is equal to the resulting equation that we got from right hand side. So let us see. Once we start it, then the picture will be more clear. Now left hand side of the equation is given by cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So this is being given in the left side of the equation. Now guys, so every time, or each and every time, I have told you, wherever we get this cosec and cosec in comparison to sine, sec and cos, so let us convert this cosec and sec into sine or cos. Now, or that is equal to, then I can write, if we are going to convert, I can write that is equal to cosec A. We very well know that cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sine A. So this is what I'm going to do. Instead of cosec A, I'm writing 1 upon sine A minus sine A. So in the exam or wherever you do this type of workings, so just convert wherever you find cosec, tan, cot, just convert to sine and cos. That is the main formula that we usually keep in mind. So sec A is similarly 1 upon cos A minus cos A, or that is equal to 1 minus sine A, 1 upon sine A minus sine A. So let us solve this. So sine A is our LCM here. If I take sine A as our LCM, then it will become sine square A upon sine A. Hope these are pretty simple things. I'm not going to explain you further on this. But still, if you have any questions, just reach out to me in the comment section. Now similarly, here it will be 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Hope till here we are pretty clear. Or that is equal to, guys, here we are getting 1 minus sine square A, and here we are getting 1 minus cos square A. So let me write the famous trigonometric identities that we know. We know that sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, or I can write, or sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. This is one thing. Or if take cos square a, then I can write cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. These two identities that I am deriving from the same equation, sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This is one of the famous identities that we know till now. So guys, keeping this thing in view, 1 minus sine square a, 1 minus sine square a is nothing but cos square a. So instead of 1 minus sine square a, I am going to write cos square a by sine a. Similarly, 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square a is nothing but sine square a. So I am going to write sine square a instead of 1 minus cos square a upon cos a. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. Now let's see what we are going to do in the next step. Now guys, here we took 1 minus sine square a is cos square a and 1 minus cos square a is sine square a. So after taking all these things, that we got cos square a upon sine a into sine square a upon cos a. Now guys, let us put the things, or let us start multiplying the things, then it would be more clear. Or that is equal to, I can write cos square a into sine square a, because this is just a multiplication, upon sine a into sine a. Or that is equal to cos square a is nothing but cos a into cos a into sine square a is nothing but sine a into sine a upon sine a into sorry guys, here it is actually sine a into cos a. This is wrong. Here it is sine a into cos a. So I can write here similarly sine a into cos a. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. So what I did here, here in this particular step we got cos square a upon sine a into sine square a upon cos a. So then I multiplied cos square a into sine square a, cos square a into sine square a upon sine a into cos a. Or cos square a is nothing but cos a into cos a, and sine square a is nothing but sine a into sine a upon sine a into cos a. Or I believe now you could understand what I am going to do. This sine a and this sine a got cancels out, and this cos a and this cos a cancels out, and we are left with only cos a into sine a. So guys, as I told you, let us keep this one as it is for the time being, and I can say that here left hand side of my equation is currently cos a into sine a, cos a into sine a. Let us make it equation number 1. Now guys, let us focus on the right side of the equation. Let us leave left hand side of the equation for the timing here with equation number 1. Now let us move ahead and see what is being given in the right side, and let us try to solve the right side of the equation. So right side of the equation says that 1 upon tan a plus cot a. So right side of the equation says that 1 upon tan a plus cot a. This is what is being given in the as the right side of the equation. Or I can write that is equal to, guys, as I told you, whatever is being given, let us convert it to sine and cos. So tan a or tan theta, we very well know that it is nothing but sine upon cos. Tan is sine upon cos. So instead of tan a, I can write sine a upon cos a, plus cot theta or cot a, we very well know that it is cos a upon sine a. Or that is equal to, let us solve this one, 1 upon, now taking cos a and sine a, so cos a into sine a is the LCM. I can write this one as sine square a plus cos square a upon cos a into sine a. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. Just I am solving the equation that I got, and these equations are very straightforward. I don't think it needs any further explanation, but I am moving step by step. I am not omitting any of the steps. Or that is equal to 1 upon, guys, Sine square A plus cos square A. We very well know by this time that it is 1. 1 upon cos A into sine A. Or that is equal to 1 into cos A into sine A by 1. Just I reverse the equation because I'm multiplying the denominator here now. Hope guys till here we are pretty clear. Or I can write the equation as or that is equal to cos A into sine A. So this is our right side of the equation. That is equal to what we got as a right side of the equation? Cos A into sine A. So this is our equation number 2. Guys, I believe what we got in a left as the left side of the equation. We got left side of the equation or equation number 1 is cos A into sine A, and right side of the equation we are again getting as cos A into sine A. So what do you think? So it is being proved that left side is equal to left side of the equation is equal to right side of the equation. Hence this is proved. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process, what I did or the steps that I followed. Please pay your attention or focus on whatever you are doing, then definitely you will reach your target or destination, and definitely you will be able to prove that or justify the given expressions. But guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.